Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class, we are going to discuss about JavaScript operators. So every programming language has its own set of operators, friends. So operators are required to perform operations over the data. Let us see arithmetic operators first. So arithmetic operation, as the name itself implies, these operators are used to perform arithmetic functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and this is called modulo division. Okay, so let's see some examples. So x plus y, x and y is called variable names. So we need to put some data into the variable names x and y, and then if you add these two variables x and y with the plus sign, the addition operation will be performed over these two operands. Okay, x and y are called operands and plus is called the operator. Which operator, which category operator it is? Arithmetic operator. Okay, like that everything will be performed. X minus y subtraction, x star y it's multiplication, x divided by y it's a division. You need to concentrate on this little bit. So this is normal division, that means coefficient division, and the other type of division is also there, that is called modulus division. Percentage sign will be used for that modulo division, friends. That means if you use this operator between x and y, then the remainder will be given. The remainder will be the output. Remainder of the division operation will be the output, friends. Okay, so let us see all these operations practically. Let's switch over to our VS Code. Yes, VS Code. Okay, let us say take a new file. It is called operators. Operators dot js. Okay, so close it. Operators dot js. Sorry, operators dot js new file we had opened. Now declare two variables. X is equal to some say 20, and then where y is equal to say some 5. Okay, so let us do addition, subtraction, multiplication like that. um, say x plus y console directly. I am outputting the result, friends. So x plus y, and then console dot log x minus y, like that. So console dot log x star y, that will output the multiplication. That will do multiplication. Console dot log x divided by y, and then next what? Console dot log x modulus y. So this is addition, this is subtraction, this is multiplication, this is division, this is modulo division. Okay, right. Let us execute this. First save it here. Dot means it is unsaved file. Okay, so you need to save it, then the dot will go. That's an indication. Now see, that dot is not appearing here, so it was saved now. Okay, now go to the terminal. Node, what is the file name? Operators dot js. Enter. Here you can see the all the outputs. Let us 25 means we what is this 25? We don't know. Okay, this is the addition. Okay, addition result, and let me put some concatenation, addition. Okay, result of addition. This is string concatenation, friends. Okay, now you can see it is adding two variables. Why it is coming like this? Okay, now it is okay. So we can just modify the output for better readability. Let us add some data, that is called string concatenation. Sub, subtraction, right, colon. Okay, that is string for understanding purpose, and this is the arithmetic operation, like that division, okay, and then plus we need to give this result, right? So we need to present the results in the readable format, friends. Sorry, it's multiplication and division, right, plus it is remainder division, that is called modulo division result. If you present without any matter associated with the data, then it will not communicate the data nicely. Okay, so let us see now. Go save. Okay, let's clear this terminal and give node space operators.js. Here you can see now the output is very readable now. Okay, the addition result of 20 plus 5 25, subtraction 20 minus 5 15, multiplication 20 into 500, division 20 divided by 5, that is 4. 4 is what? 4 is coefficient. Okay, and then modulo division means remainder will give the, so if you divide 20 by 5, the remainder is 0, right? So now for reading the output, it is very much appealing, right? So in that way string concatenation is very helpful, friends. So here to here we have given in the quotes, that means it is string. Plus is now it acts as a string concatenation operator. Here the same plus acts as a addition operator. Okay, so this is it, friends, and in the next class we will discuss about the next set of operators. Right, so till then, bye bye, yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening, friends.